Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you some handle-based deformation tools in Mesh Morpher and how we can use them and some results we can get with them, right? And for this I'm going to open a morph target and I'm just going to jump straight to RPF deformer. This is the icon for RPF deformer, and the RPF deformer in Mesh Morpher is super powerful, probably one of the most powerful RPF deformers out there. And I'm gonna show you right now how we can use it. Let me hide some of these sections. We don't need them. Cornea. We don't need the eyelashes to see them. Let's hide the eyebrows as well. And the eyelashes. So now to proceed, you can increase the control size if you add a control here, and it's too small. By default, it's this one. You can increase the size, and let's delete this one, and let's try to add a symmetric control point, right? So if we add with shift, we click with shift press, and we click wherever we want. If there's a symmetric location, it will add another point, right? And to enable symmetry, we go to mirror and select the x-axis. And now if we move, we will see that we have symmetric deformation, right? Also, we have plenty of kernel types. These are basically the solvers, and I invested some time and added a description to all of them to understand better what they do and when to use them. All right. I like a lot Mattern 5x2. This one it's it provides a very smooth deformation without interfering with other regions. I like it, but it's up to you. Wendland is the default one, and they all do things good in their own way, right? So now you can increase the radius of your control points, and higher radius means higher influence at bigger distances, right? So if we go too high, then our mesh will be deformed, right? So we can add some other control points that will make sure that our deformation is somehow controlled, right? So as you can see with these control points, now I have other deformation than without them, right? Let me delete this. So this is only these two control points, how they move. But if I add here another set of control points, then now my deformation changed, right? And let's see from a little bit of a bigger distance, this is what happens, right? But if I change the solver and let's go to Mattern here, you will see that the deformation is different. We have a lot of choices. We can do a lot of great things. And yeah, let's add some more control points so we can make sure we can modify what we want, right? This is how it looks with these control points here. And another thing, we have full axis transformation. This means we can also rotate these control points, right? So this is also pretty good. Look how drastically everything changed here. And we can also enter manually our options in manual transform here, and we can also uniform scale. So if I want double scale in this area, this is how it looks. Doesn't look too good because I have a very big influence, right? And if I go with a smaller influence here, this is how it looks. So I reached this point here, just with some control points, right? So this is the RBF deformer. Is super, super, super powerful. You can do a lot of great stuff with it. It's a very easy way to handle deformations without conventional sculpting, right? Another great tool that we have in Mesh Morpher is the cage deformer, which basically creates a low resolution cage and allows you to deform the mesh by moving these controls, right? You can choose the density. If you need the lower density for your cage, you can do that. And here it's basically the same thing. You just move the control points. Here we don't have rotation. This is only translation location based, so no rotation yet. Maybe in the future if I find a proper way. And yeah, let's see. You can also, I think this is very good to fit clothing on some characters because we get this low resolution cage. It's easier to fit the clothing than sculpting, right? You can do, it's also a very powerful tool here. And another handle-based deformation that we have in Mesh Morpher is the lattice deformer, right? This is, again, everything here. It's super powerful. We can do a lot of stuff with these tools. We can really, really, really push how things work. Let me do it like this. So in lattice-based deformation, again, we have rotation as well. Very, very powerful as well. This is, I need to add a little bit more controls here. Yeah. You can choose the density. You can create your own grid here and choose your density so uh, you can be as accurate as you want. And same goes for, you can also use a selection, right? You can draw a Marquis selection and process multiple points at the same time. This is also super great. And yeah, I think this is it for this video. I just wanted to show you the handle-based deformations in Mesh Morpher. Uh, the most powerful, I think, it's the RBF deformer, but the others, cage deformer and the lattice deformer, are also super, super powerful. You can achieve great stuff, and don't forget that having rotation for our lattice grid, it's very unique. It's not found in a lot of places. You can achieve this kind of deformations this easy, right? And yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you around. Bye.